Now you all know why you are all here in a meeting. Well, now, here's the plan, okay? Today we are about to rob the biggest bank in all of Gotham City. So, here goes. Now, lights, cameras, action. I said action! Here's the lever. Now, as you can see, there's a board. Well, this is actually like the tallest building in Gotham City, okay? Now, I'll show you where we're about to rob. We are about to rob this floor on Gotham City Tower, okay? So, Jack Nicholson, will you please lead this team to the right spot? My job is done. Okay, you heard of the man, let's go. Yeah, you heard him, let's go, yeah. There's nothing here. What do we do, boss? I'll tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna get out of here. Alive. Okay, let's move. Freeze! This is Commissioner Gordon. I want Jack Nicholson alive. And any man that opens fire on Jack Nicholson will have to answer to me. Is sir, there was an open fire on him, sir? Yes, I am, sir. Now don't shoot at Jack Nicholson! Oh no, it's Batman! Those people are worthless. They're brainless. It's a dead end. Later. Who are you? Wait, Jack? Is that you? I've been dead already. And Jack is dead. But hey, Jack? No, I'm not. Yes, but now you can call me Joker. Okay? Joker. Okay? So now you call the cops on me. So now you're in furry. You're in for big times. No, please, spare my life. I want to live. Look, maybe we can set a deal. There is no deal over death. Now, so long, boss. Later in the Batcave. Alf, sir. Yes, Alfred. There is a man called Joker now down in the street, and Robin needs to talk to you about it. Okay, just tell him that I'll be with him in just about a second or a minute. Later. You needed me, Robin? Oh, Batman, I'm so happy that you're here. Now, just take a look at this. It's all over the news. Well, it is the news. Hello, and I'm Crank Brockman. And now, Jack Nicholson is on the loose. We'll show to you what did his men do to the cops. And here's one of the people that survived. And remember, my name is Cake Brahman. Dun 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 dun. Now, look, it's easy to see that one of Jack Nicholson's men just took off my arm. Just one bullet. I mean, it's nuts. Well, you just heard it. How dangerous Jack Nicholson is, and he's out on the streets, ready to sue his next victim. Remember, this is Newsflash, and I'm Cap Brockman. Da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da. Did you see that? Yeah. That guy, well, his name was Cap Brockman. Let's go. Oh, good lord, I must be getting old. Stupid tire. Stupid tire. Okay, so where is this guy? Because I already broke my Batmobile and my bat launcher and every last bat equipment I have. So where is he? You see, Batman. Well, you just saw that my Batmobile is broken. Now I need to see, where is this guy? He should be right about here. But he's not. So, oh my god. Put your hands up. Hey boss, I got him. Isn't this great? I actually got him, so now I get to go promoted. Oh, it's you, Dick. Great. Can you give me a hammer? Okay. What? A hammer sandwich? No, a hammer. Hammer. I need to get him unconscious. A hammer sandwich? No, not hammer sandwich. Look, I need to get a hammer, and when I get one, I'm gonna hit you with a hammer. But, senor, he's getting where? No, he's not. He's just right here. Wait a minute. Where is he? He's not here. No, where? Where did he go? Oh, yeah, my God. Oh my leg. Hey, I got him. Oh, great work. Do the honors. Haha, we got him. Hey, that's the guy that did this all to me. Now he's in for it. Haha. Now you're in for it.